Hi friends, I received this 8 by 10 feet rug for my living room. This is for reviewing purposes. It is a really nice rug, large one of course, 8 by 10. And it is machine washable, so that makes it really convenient. I am going to open it and install it. Let me show you. This is kind of a greenish color, has a pattern, but the main color is like green. You see? It's large, 8 by 10. Okay, it has this non-slip bottom part, like plastic part that will help you so it won't slip anywhere. Okay, and the other side is the pattern. Let's install it. As you can see, the rug is really adequate for this size of living room. I'm going to install all the furniture, but as you can imagine, the rug is the first accessory that you need. This rug is really nice. It fits perfectly in the living room. It has these green, red, orange colors that makes it really good with my living room. The orange color of the LED electric fireplace goes perfectly with the orange tones of the rug. So if you need a large rug for a living room, a meeting room, a large office, wherever you want to have this nice kind of rug in the floor, these are a great option. And remember, you can wash them in the washing machine. Thank you.